How to use ThorChain, easy beginner's tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on ThorChain, how to use ThorChain to exchange your crypto and tokens. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to thorchain.org and you'll get to this platform right here. Now ThorChain is a decentralized exchange that allows you to change your tokens and to cross-chain liquidity networks. It is one of the very famous platforms out there and has a good exchange rate for you guys. So I'll show you how to use it and how to get started with it, what are the different features and tools we're getting. So let's get into it. The first thing that you do on the website is you can click on get it started, and now you're gonna simply select what you want to do. Take your time. Going through these topics will help you develop into ThorChat. So this is like for getting started, and you can actually get different information about technology, network, and Rune token as well. So if you are a complete beginner, I would suggest going to getting started and you'll be able to get all the information right here. But let's say that you want to directly get to the swap option and you want to get into the launch pool out there. So what you have to do is you will get the swap option right here. Click on swap and it will open up the interfaces for you on ThorChain. Now ThorChain actually works on liquidity networks, and I will be able to show you the different networks available right here and how they're compared and how they're linked. So right here we have different tokens given here. We have different networks given here. We have ThorSwap, we have Shapeshift here, DeFi Sport, Skip, Rango, Booker, and Thor Wallet. These are different compared ones. If I go to links, then I'll be able to check different links for our ThorChain. So right here, what I need to do is I need to select any of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going with DeFi Sport. So once you click on DeFi Sport, now we have our web app. We have different information and the links available for our this network right here. First, you select it. You can see, and it takes you to the links. And then I'll be able to check this one from here and I will be able to get all the information. Now, what we can do is we can, of course, swap and we can exchange, and we will be able to actually compare and check different interfaces and different networks available right here on ThorChain. If we go to the pool option, then we again have our other information given on ThorChain. Let's go to the wallets and it will give us the wallet information about ThorChain. If we talk about the different wallets available, we have XDeFi wallet and then we have Ledger available, and you can connect them to your ThorChain. Now let's go ahead and check out the estimate yield of ThorChain right here. So we have our own ThorChain LP calculator given. So right here, what you need to do is you simply add how much do you want to invest. So it's really easy to use. You simply enter your amount and you select from your currency right here, and the currency is going to be USD. So let's say that I want to invest $10,000. And then we have to select a pool. In pool, we have Ethereum, BTC, DAI, Thor, Fox, LTC, Doji, Ethereum, BUSD. So what I'm gonna do is from here, let's go with BTC, okay? The Bitcoin one. And I have this money right here, 10,000. And then, okay, it's going to be a bit expensive for me if I'm investing 10,000. So we can go with a simple Thor Ethereum. So you select it from here, and then you have your amount here. Here we have estimated 24-hour fee, which is going to be $2. Liquidity share is going to be 0.16%. 24-hour swap volume is going to be $64,000. And pool TVLB is going to be 4 million. Now we also have our chart given below that will help us understand more. These bubbles, this is actually a graph, a very different graph than you see normally. So you will be able to check the different values and your liquidity share, that how it increases and how it decreases with time. So this is going to be according to 24-hour swap volume right here. And you can actually click on expand advanced mode and it will give you more information into it. You can simply enter your days, your period for how much time you want to actually invest. Then we have our daily swap volume given here that I can increase and decrease or reset completely. Then we have our final rune price right here, and I can again decrease or increase it or reset it. This is going to be again the rune price for me, how it's increasing and decreasing. You can see now it's kind of like really stationary, but it was pretty high right here at $12. Then we can scroll down to final Thor price, and this is the Thor price right now. And in May, like 2 months ago, it was actually very high, but now it's again pretty low. All information given here is according to the time of making this video, so it might vary when you are watching this video. So this is how you get all the information right here on ThorChain. It's pretty impressive how we can, get all the information with the calculator. Now what we're seeing here is the 90-day forecast. This is also a graph that we're getting, which is fee income and block rewards, and you can see right here 7% APY. If we scroll down, we again have another graph which shows you your up overall, and it will show you your LP value change and IL insurance. So these are the different graph views of your, exchange right here, and it's according to how much I'm willing to invest. If I increase the price here, maybe $50,000, so of course everything will increase, and my chart will also change. So it happens within seconds, and we will be able to reset our different prices and charts and table. If you want to check out a table, you can actually check out a table from here instead of a chart. You can see we have a chart view and a table view. If you prefer a table view, you can go with this one. If you like a chart view, then you have it right here with a comparison given. Similarly, if I quickly show you the ThorChain prices today, so this is our ThorChain price, and you can see right here it is on $2.30. Okay, and you'll be able to get all the information right here. So make sure that once you're getting into it, if you want to check ThorChain and if you want to check the exchange, the network, this is according to the time of making this video. At this time, this is the price for ThorChain. This is what's happening. The conversion, the calculator is using this price that we have right here, which is today. So then you can simply go back to ThorChain, and we're again getting our different options given here. You can also check out their applications and other information, the ecosystem, if you want to check the roles. The security is actually also pretty good. So it's a very secure network that we get, and we are getting our own decentralized and autonomous cross-chain liquidity network. ThorChain is a good platform to use. You can go ahead and check it out right now, thorchain.org, and check your ThorChain exchange right now. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. This brings us to the end. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.